Peace. What it is, baby. Finna get back on my astrologies. So what's today? Today the sun is in Aquarius, and moon is in Virgo, and it's finna come out of Virgo. It's finna go to Libra, and it's very interesting that the sun is 14 degrees Aquarius right now, which, you know what? I think it's Brother Jamal's birthday and Gnosis TV. Gnosis YouTube channel. I think so. I think he's 14 degrees Aquarius, because I know my Jupiter is 16 degrees Aquarius. And, that I can explain that, but I'm not. But anyway, 14 degrees Aquarius, which is the Cancer aspect of Aquarius, right? But it's going to move to 15 degrees, I think around 3 or 4 o'clock. And then that's the Leo aspect of Aquarius. And I find it interesting that around that same time, the moon will be moving out of Virgo into Libra. So, for one, that's going to be a trine in energy between the moon and the sun, meaning that they're both going to be in air signs. So it's going to be a lot of, thinking, a lot of practical thought, and a lot of something about relationships maybe, because Libra rules relationship. And my hair fucked up. I didn't realize my hair was that bad. I gotta wear I didn't know if I told y'all I got fired from my job. And let me say, okay, let me explain this to you too. I gotta wear a hard hat to fuck my hair up. But anyway, so I got fired, right? What was it? 5 days before Christmas this year, or last year, 2017. 2016, I got fired 2 days after Christmas. And technically this year, I got suspended, and then I got fired. And I didn't realize, I didn't know that I was officially fired until 2 days after Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But now, what is that? Why, is there something astrological in my chart that is on that degree? Yes, it is. My Neptune is 2 degrees Capricorn. So when the sun hit 2 degrees Capricorn, I got fired like a motherfucker. Why, you say? Because it was time for me, or it is time for me, because it's not a one-time thing. It's time for me to start to do what I believe in, and start to believe in myself. And you know what I'm saying? Stop with the old paradigm of thinking, because I don't know if I told y'all this either, but I went back to my old job, the job that fired me 2 days after Christmas. My dumb ass, I go back to them because they was offering me more money, because they shit got fucked up after they fired me, which I know is fucked up again. Fuck them. But anyway, so they hired me back, offered me more money, I went back. Then they fired me again 2 days after Christmas, again, okay, for something totally different. So I'm like, it's either spiritual or they some big conspiracy against me. They ain't got no goddamn conspiracy against me. I ain't no damn body. You know what I'm saying? So, what is it? It's astrological. It's astrological, and it's studyable. And I know what it is. And you see, if you look back, I think my last video, astrological, the sun is this and the moon is that. I believe, I'm not 100% sure. I didn't look it up, but I think it was in Sag. I think it was in Sagittarius. Now, what? Well, I'm saying that because I basically took the whole month of Capricorn off from doing astrology videos. You see what I'm saying? Because to be honest, it's a very intricate study, and I'm not really at that level where I can break it down to you without some time. It takes time. And my thing was like, am I wasting my time? You know what I'm saying? Because, I have to feed family and all that other shit. But then I got, another job fell right through, blah, blah, blah. So I'm like, okay, I peep what it is. Long story short, you can use your chart to study yourself. So the moon's in Virgo, right? So that's work, right? So what am I doing? I got back at it. And then what I just tell you, the sun's 14 degrees. Y'all didn't see that. Aquarius, you feel me? That's on my Jupiter. That's my gift. This is my gift. I run my motherfucking mouth. You know what I'm saying? So, astrology, man. The shit is fucking awesome. You should utilize it. It's there. Peace.